Sanibonani. So, yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns 3 and Lupopo FC 1. And yeah, man, I don't want to lie. I was expecting to see Mukoko today, yeah, but the guy that's actually like punished, yeah, but the Orlando Pirates and stuff. Nana, you know how the media has been. And unfortunately, the boy was on the stands, well, he didn't even make it on the pitch, yeah, so. Yeah, I don't wanna lie, it was a great match from like said like Mamelodi Sundowns in Lupopo FC and the first half they didn't even like created anything except that chance available by Tolabo and then they actually converted it. And this is the saddest part about our teams lawa azodlala vele deep because it is a thing which will dominate the match well all over available. Like Mamelodi Sundowns, it was just doing, and then they just got them at that moment. And by that time, but mabaqeda vele ukora vele Lupopo FC. Score some vele 1-1 vele yabo. Second half they came back being more motivated but unfortunately results they ended up being the way vele yabo angakhona and stuff. So yeah, I just want to speak about vele match my about iqala kanjani and stuff and so match ithe masaqala and then Santos scored and he received the assist from the one and only yabo Miguel. Miguel Rinho, I can't pronounce that guy's name, but number 7 vele Mamelodi Sundowns I believe ukuthi he's actually cool. Like at this game, I didn't see anybody who's more tactically than him. About like he's very tactical. That guy available. It's technical. Why am I saying tactical? Technical available. Kwinto ngama-passes akhe available because I believe he was supposed to even have like a master I3 because there was even a time he gave Umetis available and then Santos again another chance but they couldn't convert them. But they shoot on target. And I just want to talk. I don't know if anybody else is actually noticing about this name, but I just want to talk about Allende and Santos, the key relationship between them. And I think it is the way Nakona Santos, Santos corner because it is a thing which you'll find him in the middle field, Santos and then like Allende, and then they just like link up like the chemistry between them. It is very great. And I remember first match Santos when they actually introduced him to Sundowns, I was like, I'm expecting to see a lot from Umjit available. He was still gonna say a lot, and it's just showing right now with value quality. But on that number 10 position, and as well number 10, value new now, which is number 10 for Mamelodi Sundowns. I believe actually would like he's near to into ukuthi akave up vele spot lesa which was done by Ribeiro, even though there's still a lot of work because like ama stats vele Ribeiro they are crazy and stuff and so yeah, what a great game from Laco Santos. I just wanted to mention him. 2 goals and an assist, if I'm not mistaken. And then also Mamelodi Sundowns. If I'm being honest, here in Africa, I don't think there is any another club available which is actually good at occupying small spaces because like they're just very good at like occupying small spaces. Look at how they scored. Look at how they're actually rotating their ball. And they didn't do that thing like they're just rotating it by rotator will move most of the time, even though there was even a time they are just more relaxed. So it was just a pure performance from them, quality they showed today. It showed the value of like players. And from Lupopo FC, I don't have much to say because even though like about qualifier or group stages, but even though about qualifier group stages, if you are being honest, they will like available because like they don't show you hang at that much. And for the fact of good thing, job even any Japan lose training available that side about my camera. I hope that thing doesn't also happen to Mamelodi Sundowns because I don't know, like I was like Mabaka to Peter Vilipania training. I was like, okay, we're gonna be seeing a team that is very threatening, we're gonna be seeing a team that's very dangerous, but yeah, man, it is what it is, the way we have our corner. So yeah, man, that's like was how one player highlights are cool number 7 Mamelodi Sundowns. Santos was very good. And then Allende, I don't think there'll be any other midfield. Even ever since Allende came in South Africa, ever since he came there, like, there's no another midfielder who has like the caliber of him, if I'm being honest. And Naleko Velero was very beautiful. So yeah, Sundowns still looking dangerous and yeah, man, all the best for them available. Like best representing South Africa. And my man of the match, I'd give it to Ununo available. But if it wasn't Ununo, it was gonna be Omiguel, the number 7 available, Mamelodi Sundowns. So yeah, Danko, subscribe. And by the way, I'm gonna be starting to open like another social media platform to this channel. I'm gonna be opening Instagram anytime soon. I'm gonna be opening Belén TikTok, but I didn't open them to data available where I had, but now I'm back home available, and the internet data I have access to it. And yeah, by the way, breaking news. Bekezela Mbokazi vele yabo, it seems like he's going to America also. So there are a lot of good things that's actually happening, like South Africa qualify for the World Cup stuff, none. But this reaction is not about that. Just subscribe to all that good stuff, and yeah, Yantanda Bafetu. Thank you.